Cristiano Ronaldo, a billionaire athlete, a global brand, a symbol of excellence. But behind the supercars, the mansions, and the global fame lies a strategy few people ever notice. A strategy the ultra-rich quietly master. A strategy known as stealth wealth. Today on Review Daddy, we go deeper into Cristiano Ronaldo's hidden wealth, the decisions he never talks about, and how CR7 mastered the art of quiet luxury while the world focuses on the noise. And if you stay till the end, then I have a special bonus gift for you.
Most people think wealth is loud. They think it's about big logos, flashy cars, expensive chains, and constant flexing. But Cristiano Ronaldo understands something deeper, something the truly wealthy know very well. Real wealth doesn't shout, it whispers. While the world is busy watching his goals, his celebrations, his cars, and his headlines, the real story is happening quietly in the background. Behind the scenes, CR7's financial empire is far bigger and far more calculated than what the media shows. His wealth is not just money in the bank, it's a complete ecosystem he has built with discipline, intention, and vision. Ronaldo isn't just a footballer collecting paychecks. He is a global brand, a strategic investor, and a silent architect of generational wealth. From massive endorsement deals with global companies to carefully structured equity partnerships that give him long-term ownership rather than one-time payments, Ronaldo knows how to turn his fame into steady, compounding value. His business interests stretch across hospitality, fragrances, fashion, fitness gyms, lifestyle products, real estate, wellness brands, and even tech. Individually, each brings in revenue. Together, they form a powerhouse that prints money whether he is playing, training, sleeping, or on vacation. Yes, his lifestyle might look flashy on the surface, private jets, supercars, and luxury homes. But the truth is this: the real wealth, the wealth that lasts, the wealth that grows, stays hidden, calm, quiet, controlled, just the way Ronaldo wants it. But how exactly does Cristiano Ronaldo manage to live big while staying financially silent? What rules does he follow that the average person never notices? Let's break down his secret playbook, the stealth wealth formula.
Stealth wealth has rules, and Cristiano Ronaldo follows them with almost surgical precision. Rule number 1: quiet clothing. For Ronaldo, fashion is not an invitation to boast, it's a statement of control. You won't see oversized luxury logos screaming for attention on his outfits. Instead, he leans into tailored simplicity. Black, white, cream, and earthy tones that quietly showcase his physique and confidence. His style says, "I know who I am. I don't need to prove it." That is the foundation of stealth wealth, letting presence speak louder than branding. Rule number 2: understated luxury. Look closely at his public appearances. There's no avalanche of diamond chains, no hyper-trendy streetwear meant to go viral. Ronaldo chooses timeless watches, clean sneakers, and classic cuts that age well. His luxury is subtle, deliberate, and refined. It's the kind of wealth you notice only if you understand it, wealth that doesn't need validation. Rule number 3: wealth in assets, not in attention. Perhaps the strongest rule Ronaldo lives by: invest in things that grow, not things that trend. While others chase hype, CR7 puts his money into businesses: hotels, gyms, wellness brands, real estate projects, tech companies, and long-term holdings that quietly build generational power. His financial moves are calculated, diversified, and low noise. That's stealth wealth in its purest form. Quiet moves, loud results. But here's the real secret most people never notice: How exactly does Ronaldo's silent, low-key strategy translate into a billion-dollar business empire the world barely talks about?
While fans across the world stay glued to Cristiano Ronaldo's goals, celebrations, and records, a different story has been playing out behind the scenes, one far more powerful than a bicycle kick or a free kick winner. Away from the spotlight, Ronaldo has been quietly building a global business empire, designed not just for fame, but for generational wealth. Take Pestana CR7 Hotels, for example. Many celebrities sign endorsement contracts and walk away with a paycheck. Not Ronaldo. He negotiated equity, turning the partnership into long-term ownership. Every room booked, every location expanded, quietly fuels his financial foundation. Then there's CR7 Fitness and Gyms, a growing global chain rooted in his lifestyle of discipline and physical excellence. These gyms don't just carry his name, they mirror the work ethic that made him a legend. His clothing and fragrance lines add another layer. High margin, high demand, and built on the power of the CR7 brand, these products sell faster than some of his highlight reels go viral. And beyond the obvious ventures, Ronaldo places strategic bets in tech, diagnostics, wellness, and sports science. These are not noisy investments. They're quiet, targeted partnerships designed to grow in the background while the world focuses on football. To the average person, these moves might seem invisible. But to a billionaire, this is exactly how you stay rich forever, by building systems that make money even when you're not looking. But there's another piece of Ronaldo's wealth strategy that many overlook. How does CR7 use real estate to multiply his fortune even in silence?
Now, before we proceed to number 4, here's a bonus gift for staying with me this far. I've created a free Stealth Wealth checklist, a simple guide that breaks down the exact money habits millionaires use to kill debt and build hidden wealth. You can grab it instantly. The link is waiting for you right below in the description box. Now, back to number 4.
Real estate is one of the quiet pillars of Cristiano Ronaldo's stealth wealth strategy, an empire built not for attention but for long-term power. CR7's portfolio stretches across Europe, each property chosen with precision and intention, not noise. He owns a penthouse in Lisbon, positioned in one of the fastest rising real estate corridors in Portugal. Then there's his mansion in Madrid, a strategic hold in a city where luxury property values rarely fall. His super villa in Turin reflects the same pattern: privacy, infrastructure, and long-term appreciation. Add to that a cliffside home in Madeira, built not only as a retreat, but as a future legacy asset with unmatched views, tourist value, and rising island demand. And finally, Ronaldo is quietly developing a mega property project in Portugal, a move only the ultra-wealthy understand, creating wealth by owning, developing, and appreciating land. But here's the key. Unlike celebrities who build loud homes for headlines, drone tours, and social media flexing, Ronaldo's properties are almost invisible. No viral mansion tours, no reality show cameras, no look-at-me architecture meant for Instagram. Every CR7 property is optimized for value, privacy, security, and appreciation. They are not houses. They are wealth machines, assets that grow quietly while the world debates his next goal, his next club, or his next record. This is stealth wealth at its peak, wealth that multiplies in silence. But here's the question. What kind of mindset does a man need to build this calm, disciplined, quiet empire while living in the loudest era of fame?